So mkdir web 3 for NFT collection. Let's concatenate. I'm getting the idea. So let me try to explain what's going on. We create a backend and a frontend. The backend, it's not really a backend. Let's say it's a backend with blockchain technologies.
Okay.
A blockend. And so again, we start with the Hardhat. We initialize an npm project. Then we install the Hardhat dependencies. And then we do npx Hardhat. This allows us to create a new Hardhat project. Let's try to get in the loop, in the flow. Create a JavaScript project. If you're on Windows and we are unlucky, we need to install this dependency. I don't know if this has been done before or after Hardhat. Yes, this always takes a while. But we're really getting the idea. So Next.js, Ether.js, Hardhat, Solidity, great stack. Great, it's working like that. Let's install Open Zeppelin contracts. Basically a way to use these contracts without having to implement the ERC token specification by ourselves. I think Open Zeppelin can do a way better job than us. No, let's follow this. Okay, done. Now let's install this because I don't know Windows, it's unlucky. Let's install the Zeppelin contracts. Let's open the code. Now in the contracts, I white list.sol, which is an interface. Let's create a new file inside the contracts. No, and let's copy. What I'd like to do is like a longer tutorial when I type everything and explain everything, but many things are a bit boilerplate here. You're doing a good job. Thank you, Rahul. Now, let's install .env. Okay, and the following lines. It's always the same. So this is the local, that's it. This is a git bash. So here we have also an interface. And here we have .sol file. We're also importing the interface. And usually what we do is we go into the scripts, deploy.js. We nuke everything. Something to like ethers. As you can read, the project requires some constants. So I create a path called constants index.js. Okay. Like this. Now open the Hardhat config.js and type some cool stuff. I compile this off the screen because if there is an error, I get some logs. So we have a problem with the version of Solidity. I think the problem is in the tutorial itself. Just deployed the contract successfully. 14 Solidity files successfully compiled. And now let's keep going. Compile the contracts, open up a terminal. First we compile and then we deploy. We deployed the contract on the Rinkeby network. To develop the website, we would be using React and Next.js. React is a JavaScript framework, and Next.js is built on top of React. npx create. Okay. So we built again the backend. Now we want to build the front end. We'll use Next.js. We will test it using npm run dev. Now let's install Web3 model library. npm install Web3 model ethers. Open your index.js file under the pages folder and paste the following code. Oh my god. Okay, this is long. Okay, now create a new folder under the my app folder and name it constants. Pass the following code. Okay, now to get this, I need to go to artifacts, replace address of your NFT contract, with the address of the crypto devs contract to deployed and saved to your notepad. Oh, it worked. It's working. Pushed all your code to GitHub. NFT collection. Git push origin. Git push origin. Okay, so we have 5 folders. So now we can go on Vercel. New project. Okay, let's edit the root directory. The my app. Okay, this is Learn Web 3 Project 5 NFT collection. Click and deploy, edit, deploy. The name of a project, lowercase. We are deploying this. We are close to the end. Not yet, but we are getting close to the end. Congratulations. Let's connect. And now, view your collection on OpenSea. To make a collection available on OpenSea, you would need to create a metadata endpoint. This endpoint would return the metadata for an NFT given its token ID on the My App and under Pages API folder, create a new file named tokenid.js. Save the file and open up a new terminal pointing. Okay. We are very close to the end. We need to, okay. So let's go order that. Open up my app constants index.js. This is why the contracts are immutable. So you can't make changes on the same contracts. You always deploy a new one. Testnet OpenSea assets. Address of your NFT contracts. So this should be last one. Oh, it worked. Amazing.